Being grateful is a great way to help you to switch your mindset back to being positive. So I've got 3 really good ideas today to help you using gratitudes to actually move your mindset to being in a more positive, motivated place. Hi, I'm Bella O'Hara from Feel Great to Be Productive, and I'm grateful that for over 28 years now I've been able to help people to switch their mindset in order to become more motivated and positive. Okay, 3 ways to switch your mindset using gratitudes, right? Number 1, what are you truly grateful for? Be grateful for your life, for what you have in your life, for the people you have in your life, and write it down. Have a list of all the things that you're grateful for. If you immerse yourself on a daily basis with what you're truly grateful for, you will feel your mindset switching back to positive. That's number 1. Number 2, be truly grateful for what someone else has done for you and express it. If you tell someone how much you're grateful for them being in your life, for helping you, for anything, you'll feel good for doing that, but you'll also help them to feel good about themselves. That's a really powerful mindset switch. Be grateful to those who help you. And number 3, why not work for a worthy cause? Volunteer for a charity, raise some money for a charity. It really does lift your spirits when you know you're doing things for other people and really helping them. Try these. All 3 of these worked for me, and I'm sure they'll work for you. Do you want a mindset switch right now? Share in the comments below something or someone that you are truly grateful for today. I would be truly grateful if you would subscribe to my channel to catch my weekly videos.